birthday ni Ja. At happy birthday kay Justin. Happy 50th birthday, Lolo Justin. Sana tumagal pang yung ano dito buhay, at syempre keep spreading love. Meron? Ano meron doon?
Lahat lang ng sinerve. Ayan.
Tapos dito lang sa Aiden. Aiden din. So, nasa ID story niya, mamalay ko. ID story niya nga eh. Daming tatay. Tatay ba ako nun? Ano nyo ang magulang? Ba't marunong ka mag-ano? Korean. Alam mo yung mga terms din nila? Kakanood mo ng ano? K-pop o K-drama?
Dahil lumang tao din.
Ah, talaga?
Japan Holland. Ay, ano?
Hindi naman ano eh.
Bawal tayo. Ang tingin.
Hindi mahagip. Okay.
Sabi na.
Sige, sige. Okay lang. Hindi nakapag-live. Mukbang talaga ito. Without ka contacts, meron. Clear contact lens lang. Ngayon lang nakakain guys. Kaya pagbigyan nyo, na gutom talaga ako. Hindi pa ako na kumakain pagkalan. Isang tok na antok. No energy. Ay hindi. Thank you. Kasama ko si Joy. Dahil si ano, si Papa sa likod mo. Si Ajushi. Magagawa eh.
Parang
gusto nyo ng ano, noodles? Ayun na yung hinahalo.
dito.
Calorie.
always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give